Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. You should say what it is, how it was broken, how you got it repaired, and how you felt about it. So without wasting time, let's begin. Repair and maintenance are part of every household or workplace. I always buy good quality products to minimize the potential repair costs in future. However, sometimes due to accidental damages, we all have to get electronics and other things repaired. Here I would like to talk about my new laptop that I had to get repaired after I bought it. I purchased a laptop of HP company. It cost me rupees 38,000. It has sterling attributes. My father agreed to buy this laptop after a lot of my requests. One day, my 3-year-old cousin Ishu came to my room and my laptop was placed on the table. I was unaware that she was in my room as I was busy in cleaning my almirah. At that time, she removed all the keys of my laptop. When I noticed her, she was sitting on the chair playing with the keys. I really got angry as it was my first new laptop and it was really expensive. But I controlled my anger as she is a child. I noticed that she had organized all the keys alphabetically on the table. She told me that she was learning. I think that was very cute. She did not do that intentionally. This made me a little bit calm. But I was afraid as my father would scold me if he came to know about this thing. Then I thought about fixing the laptop. I took laptop and keys to an electronics repair shop. They told me that they would take 3 days. I was in soup as it was difficult to hide this thing from my father for 3 days, as my father could ask me about my laptop anytime. Fortunately, he was busy in his work for those 3 days. Then I got it repaired and had a sigh of relief. It cost me rupees 2000 and it was nothing before my cousin's smile. After this incident, I learned a valuable lesson that if we take care of things, they last. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video informative and useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more cue card videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.